If you are a software engineer and you are planning to change your current job, or you just want to join another software company to bring your career to another level, I have some information to share with you. These are part of the informations found out after some interviews conducted with some very excellent software engineers recently. It is about don't feel used. Like just mentioned above, if you are deciding to join another company, you just have to be careful. Yes, I mean be careful. Ask more about the working environment deeply before you join the new company, and not get too excited that you have been offered a job and jump into it. It might be a heartbreaking pain for you in the near future. Although it might be difficult to find out how the new company you are joining goes along well with the workers internally. But there are many ways to find it out these days. Mostly, these experiences are being drawn from software companies that are small or middle large in size. These software companies are mostly composed of small developer teams, where the lead developer has been in the company for more than, let's say, 10 to 20 years. Most of the lead developers or heads of the IT department don't have the latest technical know-how on how to develop modern applications, or they have little knowledge about it but cannot put this to action. Not that most of these lead developers are not good in programming. They are very good to very excellent, but they lack the knowledge in modern technology stack, which most companies need in this modern age. Just take some time to think about it. If the lead developer had been in the company for that long, and most of them, if you ask them, they, and maybe with other co-workers, started and developed the application alone without really planning the structure, and maybe sometimes use old frameworks for the application. And suddenly, the application becomes big. And most of the time, they will not have the time to update the software or upgrade the framework, because more and more features need to be implemented in the day-to-day work and also be deployed. This problem will pile up over the years, and at some point in the application's life, they will realize that something has to be done in another way. They will notice that the application is outdated and it needs total restructure. That is where you see most of these companies publishes job vacancies looking for experienced software engineers with sound knowledge of different technology tools. A developer that has experience with Q technologies, CI/CD, cloud computing, etc. That is where you come in as the new engineer. After joining the company, and you are bringing in new ideas on how to restructure the application and all that such thing, watch out. If the team lead is trying to elevate himself or trying to show that all the ideas are not new to him, or the other co-workers using the opportunity to throw in unnecessary suggestions when having meetings or discussing at the working space, then tighten up your belt or start planning your next exit. That is how it all begins. Furthermore, if you don't have direct access to the boss personally, if the boss only communicates to you through the team lead, then things will not go well in the long run for you. These are kinds of team leads after they understand the ideas behind it. That is, on how it works from you. They will do their best to kick you out of the company because you are a threat to them. Yes, it happens. Just take note of this. It is hard to believe, but this happens again and again. You feel like being used. Okay, guys, I will stop in this for the time being. If you like this part, please don't hesitate to subscribe for the second part. Stay tuned. Thanks.